Good morning, children. Good morning, children. Now, in the last class, you studied about the properties of scalar product. Hmm? So, when A and B are two vectors, A dot B is given by the formula mod A into mod B into cos of angle between A and B. This is the definition. A dot B is equal to mod A into mod B into cos of angle between A and B. And we also learned the property that A dot B is equal to B dot A. A dot B is equal to B dot A. It is commutative. And then A dot A is equal to, this property is very, very important. A dot A is equal to mod A square. Mod A square. Or you can just write A square like this. Mod A square. Now, suppose I have A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square. So, we'll write A plus B whole square actually as A plus B dot A plus B. A plus B dot A plus B, that is A square plus B square plus 2A dot B plus 2A dot B. A square is again, what is it? A square is mod A square. A square is mod A square. B square is mod B square. And then A dot B will write, 2A dot B will write as 2 into mod A into mod B into 2 into mod A into mod B into cos of angle between A and B. So you have learnt these properties. A dot B formula, then A dot B is equal to B dot A, then A plus B whole square is like this, we'll expand like this. Now in the same way, we have A plus B plus C whole square. A plus B plus C whole square is mod of A plus B plus C whole square, both are same. And then you can write this as A plus B plus C dot of A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C dot A plus B plus C. And then you know the expansion of A plus B plus C whole square. A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB 2B plus 2BC plus 2CA. But here we'll write as A square plus B square plus C square plus 2A dot B. So there in algebra you write 2AB, 2BC, 2CA like that. But here you will write 2A dot B plus 2B dot C plus 2C dot A like this. Of course, A square is mod A square, B square is mod B square, C square is mod C square, and then you write the formula like this. Okay, then next, suppose that you have A, B, C. This property is again very important. You understand? So, suppose A is A1I plus A2J plus A3K. I'll take one example and take. See, suppose that A vector is some 2I minus 3J minus some 4K. And B is equal to 3I minus 4J plus 5K like this. A and B are two vectors. Then A dot B is just multiply I coefficients 2 into 3 plus multiply J coefficients minus 3 into minus 4 and then plus minus 4 into minus 5 plus 5 minus 4 into 5. So like this we do. So this is, you simplify. So like this we find the value of A dot B when A and B are given in terms of I, J and K. So this is the procedure. Multiply I coefficients and then add with multiply J coefficients and then multiply K coefficients and add all of them. So it is the sum of the products of I coefficients and J coefficients and K coefficients. Suppose that here you don't have J term, 3I plus 4J. Suppose you have only like this. Okay, 3. So it is minus 3 plus 4 and here you don't have K. So you'll write 0 into K like this and then you will write it as minus 4 into 0. So this term becomes 0. So if any term is missing, you should take its coefficient as 0 and then write A dot B. Okay, next is, suppose that A and B are perpendicular. A and B are perpendicular, and then A is non-zero vector, B is also non-zero vector. These two are vectors. Then A dot B will be equal to 0. If A and B are perpendicular non-zero vectors, then A dot B is equal to 0. And then we also learned this property, that is, suppose the angle between A and B vectors is given by the formula cos inverse of A dot B by mod A into mod B. We learned this property, this formula. Angle between two vectors, suppose A and B vector are like this. This is A vector and this is B vector. Then the angle between them is denoted by this symbol AB. That is given by the formula cos inverse of A dot B by mod A mod B. Okay, next is I dot I is equal to J dot J is equal to K dot K is equal to 1, because I dot I is mod I square, mod I square, mod I is 1. So it is 1 square, that is 1, like that. And then I dot J is 0, I dot K is 0, and then J dot K is 0. You have learned all these properties. Okay, next is, now we already solved 3 problems. Now we'll continue with the problems. So another next problem is, these are all there in exercise 5A. These are exercise 5A problems and also examples. I included important examples and also the exercise problems. So now see, A and B are two vectors given. Find the vector C such that A, B and C form the sides of a triangle. Now in first chapter, in addition of vectors, you have learned the triangle law of vectors. What is the triangle law of vectors? Suppose that ABC is a triangle, then AB plus BC is equal to AC. You have AB plus BC is equal to AC. This is the property that you studied in triangle law of vectors. Now instead of A, B, C and all, suppose I take like this. This is A and this, okay. Now see, suppose AB plus BC is equal to AC. This is the triangle law of vectors. Now if we bring this to this side, then you have AB plus BC plus minus AC is equal to 0. So, or AB plus BC plus CA. When you interchange the initial and terminal points, it becomes 0. Or AB plus BC plus CA. It is the continuation AB. B continuation is here, C continuation is here. So, it becomes AA and it is equal to 0. So, AB plus BC plus CA is equal to AA, which is equal to 0. Now, you are given that suppose that AB is A, suppose that AB is A, BC is B, and then CA is C. Then A plus B plus C is equal to 0. Now you must find the vector C such that A, B, C form the sides of a triangle. So what is C? So this implies C is equal to minus A minus B. Minus A minus B. So just or minus of A plus B. Minus of A plus B. So it is minus of, add these two vectors. So when you add, it becomes 3i and then minus 4j and then minus 4k. So minus 3i plus 4j plus 4k. So like that also you can write. So to find the vector C such that ABC forms the sides of a triangle, this is the procedure. So according to triangle law of vectors, according to triangle law of vectors, according to the triangle law of vectors, AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 0. So A plus B plus C is equal to 0. So C is minus of A plus B. So minus of, so we'll write the value like this. Okay, next problem. E1, E2 are unit vectors. Generally we write unit vectors by cap. If cap is not written, we should write unit vectors. So E1 and E2 are unit vectors making angle theta. So, and they are satisfying this condition, we should find lambda. This problem is again very important. So what we do is, one more thing, whenever you have modulus in a problem, you should square on both sides and apply the dot product. So here what you should do is, you are given that E1 and E2 are unit vectors. So mod E1 is equal to 1 and mod E2 is also equal to 1 because they are unit vectors. And the angle between them, angle between E1 and E2 is theta. Now you are also given half into modulus of E1 minus E2 is equal to sine of lambda theta. Now take 2 to that side. We will simplify this. So it is mod of E1 minus E2 is equal to 2 into sine of lambda theta. Then whenever you have modulus, as I said, you should square on both sides. So squaring on both sides, you get mod of E1 minus E2 whole square is equal to, when you square this becomes 4 sine square of lambda theta. Now write E1 minus E2 whole square, mod E1 minus E2 whole square as E1 minus E2 dot E1 minus E2 dot E1 minus E2. Okay, is equal to 4 sine square of lambda theta. Now as you know, this implies, okay, continuation is here. So now write the formula, or it is E1 minus E2 whole square formula. So E1 square plus E2 square minus 2 E1 dot E2, that is 4 sine square of lambda theta. Now E1 square is nothing but mod E1 square plus mod E2 square minus 2 into, write the formula for this, mod E1 into mod E2 into cos of angle between E1 and E2 is equal to 4 sine square of lambda theta. Okay, so now mod E1 square, mod E1 is 1. This is also equal to 1. So 1 square plus 1 square minus 2 into 1 into cos theta. Angle between E1 and E2 is given as theta. So write theta is equal to 4 sine square of lambda theta. Now when you simplify, this becomes 2 minus 2 cos theta is equal to 4 sine square of lambda theta. Now when you take 2 common, it is 2 into 1 minus cos theta is equal to 4 sine square of lambda theta. Now what is 1 minus cos theta? 1 minus cos theta is 2 sine square theta by 2, half angle formula. 2 sine square theta by 2 is equal to 4 sine square of lambda theta. So when you cancel this 4 and 4, and then when you this is sine square theta by 2 is equal to sine square lambda by 2. So you have, okay, I'll write here. So you have sine square theta by 2 is equal to sine square lambda by 2. So sine square lambda theta, this is lambda theta. Sine square theta by 2 is equal to sine square lambda theta. So that means theta by 2 is equal to lambda theta. So when you cancel theta, you will get lambda as equal to half. This is the answer. So now you are given even in this problem is very important. Even and E2 are unit vectors. So their modulus is 1. Angle between them is theta. So you are given this equation also. So you are simplifying this equation by substituting these values. So first you have taken 2 to this side and then squaring on both sides. You get like this. And then you know mod A square is A dot A. So you know the formula for this, expand like this and then write the values E1, E2 cos theta, angle between E1 and E2 is theta, it is given as theta, so substitute, then you take the 1 plus 1, 2, so take 2 common, 1 minus cos theta you have in trigonometry formula, 1 minus cos theta is 2 sine square theta by 2, half angle formula and then cancel this 4. So you have this equation sine square theta by 2 is equal to sine square lambda theta. So equating angles, it is not that you are cancelling this, the angles should be equal. When sine square theta is equal to sine square alpha, theta has to be equal to alpha like this. You equate, then theta gets cancelled. So here half will remain. So lambda is equal to half. So like this we do. Here we have addition law of vectors and here we use the formula of modulus. Now we will continue with the next problem. So this problem is again very important. If A plus B plus C is 0, mod A, mod B, mod C values are given, then find the angle between the vectors A and B. So what we see, you are given A plus B plus C is equal to 0. A plus B plus C is equal to 0. This is given. And then you are also given that mod A, mod B, so on. Now you must find the angle between A and B. So what you do is retain A and B this side, take C to that side. So A plus B is equal to minus C. Now squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides you get, squaring on both sides we get A plus B is equal to, whole square is equal to minus C whole square. So A plus B whole square means A plus B dot A plus B, or directly write the formula mod A square plus mod B square plus 2A dot B is equal to minus C whole square will be C square only. So it is mod C square. Now you are given mod A as 3. Substitute the values. Mod A is 3. So that is 3 square plus mod B is 5. So 5 square plus 2 into mod A into mod B into cos of angle between A and B. Cos of angle between A and B, this is the formula, is equal to mod C square, that is 7 square. Now again we will substitute. So this becomes 9 plus 25 plus 2 into 3 into mod B is 5 into cos of angle between A and B is equal to 49. Now just solve this for cos AB. So you will get 5 3 is 15 to 30. So 30 cos of angle between A and B is equal to 49 minus 34. 49 minus, when you add 25 plus 9 it is 34. So when you simplify it becomes 15. So cos of angle between A and B is 15 by 30. 15 by 30. That is half. Now this half can be written as cos of, what angle half is? Cos of 60 degrees. Cos of 60 degrees. So the angle between A and B is 60 degrees. So like this we solve the problem. So So A plus B. So you are asked to find the angle between A and B. So you will retain A and B so that you will get this cos AB formula here. If you are asked to find the angle between B and C, then B and C you will retain here A, you will take that side, and according to the question you will solve the problem. Okay. Now next is mod A, mod B, mod C are given, and then each of A, B, C is perpendicular to the sum of the other two vectors. So what is given here? Mod A is equal to 2, mod B is equal to 3, and then mod C is equal to 4. Each of A, B, C is perpendicular to the sum of the other two vectors. That means what is given? A is perpendicular to sum of the other two vectors, means B plus C. And similarly, B is perpendicular to A plus C. And then C is perpendicular to A plus B. Each one is perpendicular to the sum of the other two vectors. So A is perpendicular to sum of other two vectors. B is perpendicular to sum of other two vectors, left out like this. So these are all given. So these are all given in the problem. You must find the magnitude of A plus B plus C. That means you must find modulus of A plus B plus C. So to find the modulus of A plus B plus C, as I said, always to find modulus, you will first square it, you will find that value, and then you will find mod A plus B plus C. So what is given? You are given A is perpendicular to B plus C, no? So A is perpendicular to B plus C implies that A dot of B plus C is equal to 0. Because they are perpendicular, their dot product is 0. So it is distributive. So A dot B plus A dot C is equal to 0. Similarly, you have B is perpendicular to A plus C. So again B dot of A plus C is equal to 0. So that means B dot A plus B dot C is equal to 0. Similarly, C is perpendicular to A plus B. Implies that C dot of A plus B is equal to 0. So that means C dot A plus C dot B is equal to 0. Now you take these three equations. A dot B is same as B dot A. Okay. Now add them. You number them as 1, 2 and 3. And then when you add them, you will get 1 plus 2 plus 3. You will get A plus B plus A dot B implies A dot B plus A dot C plus B dot A. B dot A is same as A dot B. So I'll write A dot B there. And B dot C, C dot A plus C dot A plus C dot B is same as B dot C. C dot B is same as B dot. So I'll write, instead of C dot B, I'll write here B dot C is equal to 0. So that means 2 times A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A is equal to 0. Now you take this mod of A plus B plus C whole square is equal to A plus B plus C dot A plus B plus C. So it is A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 times A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A. Now all this we showed as equal to 0. So you will write mod A square value. Mod A square means 4 plus mod B square means 9 and mod C square is 16. And all this is 0. So you will get 29. This is equal to 29. Therefore, mod of A plus B plus C is equal to root of 29. So the magnitude of A plus B plus C, magnitude of A plus B plus C is magnitude of A plus B plus C is root 29. So you are given mod A, mod B, mod C values, and then you are given that A is perpendicular to B plus C like this. You must find this. So according to these three conditions, we got these three equations. Now you are adding them because in this formula you have 2 times A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot E. And we also know that A dot B is same as B dot A like that. So we simplified and we got like this. So mod A plus B plus C whole square formula directly we wrote and we substituted the values and we got 29. So mod A plus B plus C is root 29. That is the answer. So this problem is again very important for 4 marks. Now we'll continue with the problems. Now next problem is mod A, mod B are given and you are also given mod A minus B as 30. So you are given that mod A is equal to 11, mod B is equal to 23 and then mod of A minus B is equal to 30. So we find the angle between the vectors A and B. As I said, whenever you have modulus, you square this. So squaring on both sides, mod A minus B whole square is equal to 30 square. So now A minus B dot A minus B. So A square plus B square minus 2A dot B is equal to 30 square is 900. Again you write A square is mod A square is mod A square, B square is mod B square minus 2 into mod A into mod B into cos of angle between A and B, that is equal to 900. Now substitute the values. Mod A square means 11 square. 11 square is 121. Mod B square is 23 square. So what is 23 into 23? 3 to 6, 3. So 529. 23 into 23 is 529 minus 2 into mod A. Mod A is 11. 2 into 11 into 23 into cos of angle between A and B is equal to 900. Now just retain this. So this is 121 plus 529, add yes, 9, 10, 2, 2, 4, 5, 650. So you will get 650 minus 2 into 11 into 23 into cos of angle between A and B is equal to 900. Now bring that 900 to this side, or else 650 when you take to that side. 900 minus 650. 900 minus 650 is 250. So you will get minus 2 into 11 into 23 into cos of angle between A and B is equal to 900 minus 650, that is 250. So now find angle between A and B. So cos of angle between A and B is equal to 250 divided by minus 2 into 11 into 23. So 2 it goes 125 times. So it is minus 125 by 11 into 23. 2 gets cancelled. So 11 into 23 is 11 3 is 33. 22, 25. 253. So the angle between A and B is cos inverse of minus 125 by 253. So this is your answer. So the angle between A and B is cos inverse of minus 125 by 253. Now you are also asked to find mod A plus B. So to find mod A plus B, you will find next continuation. I'll do it here. Continuation. So mod A plus B. To find mod A plus B, you will find mod A plus B plus C whole square. Mod A plus B whole square is mod A square plus mod B square plus 2A dot B. So that is, what is mod A square? 11 square. 121 plus mod B square. is 529 plus 2a dot b, 2 into a dot b. So 2a dot b is, so actually here 2a dot b you can find like this. This is 121. So from this you can find out 2a dot b as equal to a square plus b square minus 900. That is 121 plus 529 minus 900. So when you simplify, okay, you can substitute there. So use this formula and then you can simplify. So mod a plus b whole square you will get as, so you will get as 400. After simplification you will get as 400. So a plus b is equal to, mod a plus b is root of 400, that is 20. So this is your answer. So you will get like this. To find mod a plus b you will do. Now take down this homework. So have you understood? First to find cos of angle, or else you can substitute 2a dot b is 2 into mod a into mod b into cos of angle between a b value you know, no? So you can substitute and simplify, you will get. Now in this homework, show that a plus b and a minus b are perpendicular to each other. So first to find a plus b and then a minus b. A plus b you will get as some value. A plus b you will get as, when you add you will get 4i plus j minus k, and then you will get a minus b. Find out a minus b. Then find a plus b dot a minus b. A plus b dot a minus b. So it is a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2. Like that, when you simplify, multiply I coefficients, j coefficients, k coefficients and add, you will get a 0. So you will say that a plus b is perpendicular to a minus b. Now here in this problem, a, b, a, c are the adjacent sides of a parallelogram. So this problem also you can try. A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. You are given A, B and A, D. So find AC. What is AC? One diagonal AC is nothing but AB plus BC. BC is nothing but AD. So it is AB plus AD. So just add AB and AD. You will get AC, one diagonal. Next, another diagonal, BD. What is BD? BD diagonal is BA. BA plus AD. BA plus AD. So AD you already know. BA is nothing but minus AB. When you interchange, it becomes minus AB. Minus AB plus AD. You add. Find out these two diagonals. Next, angle between AC and BD is given by cos inverse of AC dot BD by mod AC into mod BD. You know the formula. Angle between two vectors A and B is given by cos inverse of A dot B by mod A mod B. So like this you can try this problem. Here you please simplify. You will get the answer. So with this we'll complete the class now. We'll continue with problems in the next video.